Have you ever wondered how we, as diverse and complex organisms, came into existence? This burning question leads us to the fascinating topic of evolution. It's the key to understanding the myriad forms of life that call Earth home. Through the lens of scientific research, we gain insight into this intricate process, shedding light on our origins and the planet's biodiversity. So, let's turn back the hands of time. Join us as we embark on a journey through time, unraveling the mysteries of evolution. Our journey begins around 3.5 billion years ago at the very dawn of life on Earth. In this unimaginably distant past, our planet was a vastly different place. Amidst the rugged, primordial landscapes, life sparked into existence. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. They were primitive, yet they held within them the seeds of all life to come. These organisms, known as prokaryotes, lacked a nucleus and other complex structures, but they had what they needed to survive and reproduce. They thrived in the Earth's early oceans, using chemical processes to generate energy. As eons passed, these single-celled pioneers began to evolve. Some developed a nucleus, becoming what we now call eukaryotes. This was a major leap forward. With a nucleus to house and protect their genetic material, these cells could perform more complex functions. They could better adapt to their environment, and they had more evolutionary potential. The next major step was the evolution of multicellularity. Some of these eukaryotic cells began to band together, forming the first multicellular organisms. This was another monumental shift. Being multicellular opened up a whole new world of possibilities. It allowed for the development of specialized cells and tissues, which in turn led to greater complexity and diversity. Over billions of years, through countless small steps and occasional giant leaps, life became more and more complex. From single cells, life evolved into multicellular organisms, then into plants and animals, and eventually into the vast diversity of life we see today. But let's not forget where it all began. Those first simple cells were the foundation upon which all life on Earth is built. They were the original pioneers, venturing into the unknown, surviving, adapting, and evolving. They set the stage for everything that was to come. From these humble beginnings, life as we know it began to take shape. Fast forward to around 540 million years ago, a period known as the Cambrian explosion. This wasn't an explosion in the literal sense, but rather a metaphorical one. It was a burst of evolutionary creativity, an unprecedented diversification and branching out of life that drastically changed the Earth's biosphere. In a relatively short span of time, geologically speaking, life took a quantum leap from simple multicellular organisms to a dazzling array of complex creatures. Picture a world bustling with new forms of life, each trying to carve out their own niche in the ecosystem. It was during this time that life's blueprint became more intricate, laying the foundation for most of the major groups of animals we see today. The Cambrian period was a hotbed of evolution. It gave birth to the first animals with shells, the first predators, and the first complex ecosystems. It was a time when the rules of the game were being written, with life experimenting with different body plans and ecological roles. But why did this explosion of life occur? Some scientists believe that it was due to changes in the Earth's environment, such as increases in oxygen levels or the breakup of supercontinents. Others think it was spurred by genetic innovations that allowed animals to evolve more complex bodies. The Cambrian explosion was a pivotal moment in the history of life on Earth, setting the stage for the evolution of complex organisms. As we move forward in time, we encounter the Mesozoic era, the age of the dinosaurs. Picture a world where dinosaurs were the reigning champions, the apex predators and the gentle giants. It all started around 230 million years ago, when the first dinosaurs evolved from their reptilian ancestors. From small, bipedal creatures, they rapidly diversified into a myriad of forms, some as enormous as a Boeing 747 and others as small as a chicken. These creatures were more than just the terrifying predators we often imagine. They were also the grazers, the scavengers, and the burrowers. Dinosaurs evolved to fill every ecological niche, from the skyscraping Brachiosaurus nibbling on treetops to the fierce velociraptors hunting in packs. They adapted, survived, and thrived, shaping the world around them. But amidst their reign, a cataclysmic event occurred. Around 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid struck the Earth, causing a mass extinction. This catastrophic event led to the demise of about 75% of all species on the planet, including most dinosaurs. Yet not all was lost. Some dinosaurs survived, evolving into a group of creatures we see every day, birds. So, in a way, dinosaurs still walk, or rather fly, among us today. The age of the dinosaurs was a testament to the power of evolution, creating a plethora of diverse and fascinating creatures. After the extinction of the dinosaurs, the stage was set for a new group of animals to take over, the mammals. And take over they did, in a grand evolutionary gala that spanned millions of years and resulted in the diverse spectrum of mammalian life we see today. The sudden departure of the dinosaurs left a variety of ecological niches vacant. The mammals, previously small and nocturnal, seized this opportunity. They began to evolve rapidly, diversifying into a multitude of forms to fit these new roles. Some took to the skies, evolving into bats, the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Others returned to the oceans, evolving into the likes of dolphins and whales. Simultaneously, there was a significant shift happening on land as well. Mammals started to grow larger, with some evolving to become the colossal creatures we know today, like elephants and rhinoceros. These terrestrial giants, in many ways, mirrored the dominance that the dinosaurs once held. However, it wasn't just about size and strength. The age of mammals was marked by a striking increase in brain size relative to body size, especially among primates. This cognitive leap allowed for more complex social structures and problem-solving skills, paving the way for a new kind of evolution, cultural evolution. Indeed, one branch of these primates would eventually lead to us, the Homo sapiens. Our ancestors started walking upright, freeing their hands to make and use tools. This physical evolution, coupled with rapid brain development, set the stage for the emergence of language, art, and technology, hallmarks of human society. So, while the age of mammals saw an impressive physical evolution, it also sparked the beginning of intellectual evolution. It was this stage of Earth's history that set the stage for the rise of conscious beings capable of understanding and even manipulating their environment. The age of mammals brought with it a new wave of evolutionary innovation, culminating in the rise of our own species. This era, rich in life's diversity and complexity, serves as a testament to the power of evolution and its ability to shape the world as we know it. Finally, we arrive at a crucial point in our journey, the arrival of humans. In the grand scheme of our planet's existence, humans are relative newcomers. But let's rewind to about 6 million years ago, when our earliest primate ancestors began to diverge from other primates. The first significant milestone on this evolutionary path was the development of bipedalism. This shift to walking on 2 legs instead of 4 freed up our ancestors' hands, paving the way for the next major evolutionary leap: tool use. Early humans began to fashion simple tools from stone, bone, and wood, allowing them to manipulate their environment in ways previously unimaginable. Fast forward a few more million years, and we see the emergence of complex language. This was a game changer. The ability to communicate intricate ideas and share knowledge across generations accelerated our evolution dramatically. It sparked the development of culture, art, and civilization, setting us apart from all other life forms on Earth. From our beginnings as bipedal primates to the technologically advanced beings we are today, human evolution is a testament to the power of adaptation and survival. We've come a long way, but remember, evolution doesn't have a finish line. It's an ongoing process shaped by environmental pressures and genetic variation. The arrival of humans marks the latest chapter in the story of evolution, a story that continues to unfold. As we look to the future, one question remains: what's next for evolution? Evolution is not a process of the past. It's an ongoing journey, one that never truly ends. Every organism, every species, including us humans, are still evolving, still adapting to our ever-changing environment. Now consider this: our activities as a species are impacting our planet in unprecedented ways. We're altering habitats, changing climates, and even manipulating the genetic code of life itself. So are we in turn influencing the course of evolution? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? As we develop new technologies, as we learn more about our own biology and that of the world around us, we may find ourselves in a position to influence evolution more directly than ever before. But with great power comes great responsibility. Even as we stand at the forefront of evolutionary history, the journey of evolution is far from over.